welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is me Aarti, and in this video I'll be telling you about how to connect this Boat rockerz 510 wireless headphone with phone, and also I will tell you about like how to use the audio cable of this headphone that you get with it. So yes, so before going further, one thing I would say that in my previous video I had told you about all the feature of this video, of this headphone. So if you haven't seen that video, I will give the link of that video in this video's description link, description box. So make sure you check the description box of this video for sure once at least. So before going further, one thing I would say you that if you are a song lover like me, like I really love listening songs and I am fond of listening songs. So if you are that too, then this headphone is perfect for you. This is so even comfortable to wear and it's really nice. I do like this product a lot. I do like this headphone a lot. So yes, and the company of this headphone is nice too, like it's of both. And I think one two more things I should show you guys that will make you guys more sure that you can see here Jacqueline Fernandez publicizing this headphone. And yes, and one, yes, you get also a warranty of 1 year with this headphone. And on this warranty card you'll be able to see Guru Randhawa in the first, and on the back you'll be able to see Kartik Aryan. So that's something, you know. Yes, I think you are pretty much sure now. So yes, let's go on the video now. So now it comes that how to use the audio cable and how to connect it with the phone. So first let's go with the audio cable. So here's the audio cable, and the length of the audio cable is really nice. It's so nice. I think I will show you. One second. This is something you get here. It's really, the length of it is really nice, and here you get the 2 pin. So all you have to do is connect this one pin in this headphone with of the right side of left side of it, and in the left side of this headphone on the the downward of this, you will see a hole and you have to plug it in this, like this. I have plugged it, and you have to on this headphone from here, like you have to press it for a while. Like I have pressed it and it's open now. This indicator shows that it's open, and I have plugged one pin here on the left side of its back, and the second pin will go into our phone's earphone plugger. So like this. So as soon as I plugged it, you can see the headphone icon here. So yes, so I have connected, and now let's just listen some music, so some songs. So yes, I have connected, and here let's play the song. So yes, so guys, I hope you guys would have able to listen the song that I have played now. And yes, also you can you just can volume up your phone also. And if you have to do it from here, let's just play this song, the song. Yes, so if you want to volume up the song, you can do from here. The plus icon you can see, you have to press this it. So yes, here's the thing that how to use the audio cable here. Now I will show you that how to connect this with your phone without using the audio cable. So yes, let's just off the song now and put off the audio cable from the phone too. So yes, I have just put the audio cable away. So now here we have the headphone, and here we have the phone. So now it is on, now it is active now. It is or not. It's not now, I think. So now let's just on this again by pressing this one again. It's on. You can see the indicator. Now all you have to do is take your phone and open the Bluetooth of your phone like this. Go in your Bluetooth. I hope you're good. All you have to do is on your Bluetooth like this, and you have to refresh. You get here the refreshing icon. You have to click on it like this, and here we have opened the the headphone. So it will come soon. Why isn't? So yes, I have here. You can see there is an option of a rockerz 510. So you can click on it. You have to click on it, and then it's asking for permission. So you have to click on the pair icon here. So I have, and here you can see it's getting connected, and it is connected now. Here you can see. Now let's just play the song. These are connected. Now let's just play the song. So yes, you can volume up from here again. Yes, when you are done by doing this, let me just yes, when you do over the sound, then this you will get a sound. From that you will get notified that this is the last we can just volume up, and from here you can just less the sound of the music or song. So yes, so I have shown you the both things. Oh my god, it's too high. So yes, so guys, I have shown you by connecting this headphone with audio cable, also with the phone, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if this was, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. And that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you are staying safe. So stay safe, take care of yourselves. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, thank you.